Okay, so today I am going to be talking about this hair from curls.com. This is their Burmese curly hair. It is a full lace wig. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I apply it and everything like that. So if you want to see how I do everything to the video, to this hair, just keep on watching. Hi guys, okay, so today I'm going to be trying this lace wig from curls.com. I'm going to be putting on their Burmese curly hair. So this is how the hair looks. I have no product in it. The only thing that I did was wash it, and then I did bleach the knots. So the thing is, I only bleached the knots up here. I didn't go all the way back here, as you can see the difference in the wig. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to apply my cap first and then go ahead and then apply the wig. So the wig does come with clips and an adjustable strap. So before I even put the wig on, I'm just going to adjust my straps. The wig is usually most of my wigs I get in the same size. So I usually just put it in the second loop right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just clip off the lace at the back. I never like lift my hair up, so this portion just never really matters to me, and I just go straight across with it. Ooh. And cut that off. Nothing like too special. Then what I am going to do is just put just a little bit, like a tiny bit of foundation on my lace right here. Okay, so this is how everything is looking so far. So I'm just going to take my clips and clip that away. And then let me take this and do the same thing. Let me go up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna bring this down like so, and then this is where I want it to lay. So right now this is how it's looking. Like I said, I did bleach my knots, and I did have to pluck my hairline just a little bit. Right now it's looking okay. I think I might cut this about right here, but I'm gonna wait until I just kind of get this part secured down, and then we can go and do that. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be and kind of spray that. I'm looking for my comb, because I don't want it to be like all over the place. So I'm just going in, spraying that, spraying that, and then taking my Okay, so because it's all crusty and dusty and stuff right now, I'm going to show you guys what I do to get rid of that, because that looks terrible. So I'm going to take this Anaerobi Wrapping Shine Foaming Lotion. It looks like this. And I'm just going to apply this to like the front portion where that part is, and begin to like comb out that what is it called? Got to be. Like so. Okay, so because I'm liking the placement, I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut right there, and then I cut right there, and I'm gonna cut right there, and then I'm gonna take my eyebrow pencil and just bring it more closer. So the lace itself looks good. It's just, for me, the actual color that I'm like struggling with. And I know that I can fix it with like foundation and stuff, but yeah, it just looks like, how you can see, like it's kind of grayish. If you guys have like a lace tint that you recommend, that would be perfect. So what I'm gonna do right now is get to doing like some baby hairs, because it's gonna need it, ma'am. Okay, so for right now, my hair is cool, so I'm gonna do like my makeup and everything, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Hi guys, okay, so this is the completed look. I decided to just push it back and apply a headband to it, and this is how the hair is looking. So So I did apply just a little bit of mousse because I didn't want it to be super poofy, just because with the headband being enough, it's like, okay, I don't need all that extra jazz on here. Like I said, I did apply just a little bit of baby hairs on it. I didn't go too crazy with the baby hairs, but yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really liking the way it looked, especially like in this portion right here. Like, it looks really good to me. Any tips or tricks that you have, please leave them down below. I am wearing a shirt. The shirt is just spaghetti strap, so yeah. But yeah, any tips or tricks that you guys have, please let me know down below, and it'll be super helpful. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.